All right, big week here for us this week, and getting down here to the end. I'm sure you've all heard now that the official last day of school is now the 22nd. It is going to be likely that we're going to have to do our final exam in that next week, which would be considered the makeup week. I just don't see any way that we're going to be able to get everything in and do it the justice to do it. So that's right now tentative, not for sure. I'll know more Wednesday when we get online and talk. But I'm thinking our final exam might have to push into that following that following week after the end of school. So this week, same plan, same setup. We're going to have two face-to-face this week. One's going to be on Wednesday, and one is going to be on Friday. We're going to try to squeeze in 2 chapters this week. Obviously, we'll be doing a little bit of cutting in each of these, but we're going to hit the big concepts in 7 and 8 this week. Right now, I do not have any of the videos up and posted. I'm in the middle of making those, so that will be my morning all day today, is getting content put together for you guys, helping you out with Chapter 7 today, and then Chapter 8 to hear throughout the week. Big things, got 2 assignments, actually 3, sorry. Assignment 1 is on production costs in the firm and profit and costs. We're going to look at accounting profit versus economic profit this week. So we're really getting into fundamentals of business 101. So any of you that are kind of thinking down the road, maybe business is maybe a direction I want to go, this is going to be a kind of introduction to like the fundamental elements of business. So we're looking at decisions of the firm. On Thursday, we're going to take the Chapter 6 and 7 quiz. So we're going to try to get Chapter 7 done here by Wednesday, by the end of our meet on Wednesday. And then Thursday you'll have a quiz, and then we'll have to get started on Chapter 8 with perfect competition assignment Thursday, and then finish that up Friday. It's going to be a busy week, but we only got 2 left, so we got a lot to hit and a lot to roll. So as you get into these assignments, you have questions, things come up, let me know. Send me, what you're needing help with, and I can whip those videos up as quick as I can. All right, have a good week.